You mentioned that the Arctic was one of the most vulnerable regions in the world. Where do you think that vulnerability is felt most today, and what do decision makers and researchers alike need to prioritize?
The first thing I would say is that the Arctic is our front yard as a country. And for a long time we kind of pretended it was our backyard. We're kind of, it's nice to chill out on your own in the backyard. But actually, it's time to turn it around and say that the Arctic is our front yard. We need to take care of it. We need to pay attention. It's a region that is warming at 4 times the rate of the global average. We think as scientists that the world is going to warm by about 2.7 degrees. Now you take 2.7 and you times that by 4. And that's what we're talking about in the Arctic. So this is a region that is going to be just incomprehensible in terms of our human understanding of change. We're reaching our 1-year anniversary of the University of Ottawa Arctic Research Hub. It's very exciting. We've been working really hard, basically to federate or connect all of the various amazing scientists across the university. So we're really focusing strongly on solutions-based science, infrastructure, security, and defense. We're focusing a lot on navigation and risk and the Northwest Passage. Canada has a very similar geography to the Nordic regions, especially the Arctic Nordic regions. We also share our cultural history. Nunat is the Inuit homeland, and it crosses between Canada and across Greenland into the Nordics. But I think really importantly, we also share values. We're like-minded nations facing a lot of the same challenges and threats. So we all have to work together, and not just in military and security realms, not just in political spheres, but everywhere, scientifically, in terms of economic development. Nuuk, Greenland, and Iqaluit, Nunavut, they're very close together, but it's very hard to get between those two places. So we need investments that bring our nations together so that we can work collectively towards a vision for the future that we all want.